I am KeyLovesGod. Welcome back to my channel where I help uplift, encourage, and inspire others on how to be made in His image. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you who are subscribed already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be reacting to one of my favorite YouTube channels, which his name is Jason A. You guys make sure that you come check out his channel or support him, okay, on Patreon. This video says apocalyptic sounds across America. So we're going to go ahead and check it out right now.
Now there is a viewer who did send us this video. Listen very closely. About 5 seconds in, you can hear that sonic boom. That is it right there. Again, that sound heard from Orlando over to Tampa. Look at that timestamp up on the top left. A lot of people saying they heard it around 5:17. There it goes again.
Wow.
And this is a camera from the backyard in East Orlando of Matthew H.
Live in the Wyoming Valley, it is possible you heard a large explosion this morning. According to fire officials, the explosion was caused by hunters using tannerite for target practice. Tannerite is legal in Pennsylvania. When it is hit by a bullet from a rifle, it explodes. No one was hurt, and there was no damage caused by the explosion in Luzerne County.
Social media commentators sounded off posting about hearing the noise and feeling it shake their homes. Speculation ran wild from earthquakes and meteors to exploding shooting targets known as tannerite. Hanover Township police tell Eyewitness News there was no evidence of tannerite being used at the location they searched in the woods near the Preston section of the township. Police say they have closed the investigation. There have been no reports of damage or injuries. So the news person just said that the people were hearing these noises and they were thinking that, well, they couldn't understand what the noise was, but then some of them were speculating that it was tannerite. But you just see right here that they checked for tannerite and there's no evidence of it found at all. So really, nobody can make any sense of what these booms are, what they are, where they're coming from. You guys comment down below if wherever you're located, if you guys have heard any booms or anything like that over Thanksgiving. I live in the Midwest, so we didn't hear anything like that over here. So let me know, depending on where you guys are, if you heard anything or not. That's scary.
The explosion was caused by hunters using tannerite for target practice.
Mysterious and loud booming noises in Malden. Folks who live there tell us that they hear this several times a week and that the sounds are actually scaring their children, scaring their pets as well. But as WBZ's Mike Sullivan shows us, no one seems to know where the sounds are coming from.
Noises that go bump in the night don't often get you.
It's a loud boom, boom, boom.
But they sure can startle and frustrate you.
You would think it was like the 4th of July every other night.
Dawn Washington lives near Bell Rock Memorial Park in Malden with her 2 grandkids. These loud, unidentified booms can be heard between the park and the Malden-Everett line.
And sometimes you think it's like maybe a tire backfiring or something like that, but how many backfired tires happen in a week?
Another neighbor at the park told me she turned her TV off last night, fearing she heard gunshots.
Even more people are complaining about it on social media. It's super annoying, especially with a dog and a baby. If everyone is hearing it, why aren't police stopping it?
The past, 7, 8, 9 days, I see no record of any responses to that area for loud noises.
For the last several days, neighbors in and around Stone Oak have been trying to solve a mystery. Residents there are reporting a mysterious noise they're hearing late at night. Some describing it as an explosion, random fireworks, or loud booms being heard in the late night hours. We asked KENS 5 reporter Alicia Nieves to see what she could find out. Alicia?
ECs have been working on this all day, been making a lot of calls to try and crack this case. Exactly what are neighbors hearing between 10 at night and 4:30 in the morning?
Able to track down the noise, neighbors went to Nextdoor to find answers. One resident writes, "Does anyone hear the thunder-like noises coming from close to Oak Meadow?" Several respond yes, saying it sounds like blasting, fireworks, or booms. So we started digging. First, we looked at a map of the area to see if there was any obvious location that could be making a racket that was keeping neighbors up at night. We started with Camp Bullis, thinking maybe they were running late-night drills.
This is Alicia Nieves calling with KENS 5.
But a quick call to Joint Base San Antonio, they let us know they're not making a peep after dark.
So we've done a lot of digging, but we still have not solved this noisy mystery.
A mysterious sound heard through parts of Fort Greene, Brooklyn has been driving some people, we are told, crazy.
Yeah, it's maddening, it's unsettling, and it's also just this mystery because nobody seems
Okay, see, I thought this was just happening all on, like, in the South, because they had, like, Florida and then Texas, I think, and a few other places. But this even says in New York. And all of these are coming, like, all of these people are reporting of hearing these sounds that sound like fireworks. Even when I heard that boom, I was thinking, like, sounds like when you let off one of those really big, like, fireworks that come out of those tubes. And it just makes one loud boom noise. That's literally what I thought. And then for them to be saying, like, sounded like fireworks. And then no one has any explanation of it, you guys. This is definitely something spiritual. They don't know how to explain it away. They don't have any evidence of it. They don't know necessarily what exactly is going on, but they will try to have different things that's causing it, quote unquote. Now, I know some people may even go as far as to say, like, well, maybe it has something to do, like, with the firmament ripping open or tearing or whatever. There's no tears or anything that can happen in the firmament. And then some people may even go as far as to say, like, different conspiracy theories or what they think may be happening. But you guys, this is something very supernatural. We all know that there is an invisible war that is going on and that is taking place, and we know that our time here on this earth is very, very short. That's why you have to get right with God, your creator. You have to have a relationship with him and give your life over to Jesus Christ. Accept him as your personal Lord and Savior, because we don't know the day, we don't know the hour. It is written.
to know what is causing this strange humming sound.
A humming sound.
You're hearing what residents of this neighborhood have been hearing off and on for what they say is too long and too disturbing a time.
It's kind of a, excuse my sound effects, but it almost sounds unnatural. And for that reason, it really gets under your skin.
What is that sound?
You feel like your teeth are about to fall out. You feel like your window panes might shatter. It's really an unnatural sound, and it's unnerving.
She says she hears it on her block intermittently, day and night.
Just when you think, oh, it's gone, then you're like, wait, do you hear that? Yeah, no, I hear that. It's also problematic because it's so eerie sounding, you know? And so it's difficult to ignore.
I liken it to like some sort of alien invasion. As you're walking around, even in the middle of the night, you hear this hum off in the background, and you wonder what could that be?
You know, I thought about that. And they're only landing in the middle of the night.
And you know what, you guys? And go off and support his Patreon. You guys, some people will even say that, like, it's not necessarily signs of the times. Some people have different beliefs, and they may say it's UFOs or it's aliens, and they've come, you know, they're here amongst us, and that they're coming to you know, do whatever it is that they do. So I don't know. You guys comment down below what your thoughts and opinions are on this. I thought this was very interesting. And I just want to know you guys' thoughts. So let me know. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so that way you can be notified when I do post another video. And I will see you guys in another one. Mwah!